Hello students. Today we are going to learn new chapter, chapter number 13, multiplication, part 2. We have learned multiplication by using the lattice method. Today we are going to learn multiplication vertically. Students, let's recap some important points of multiplication from previous video.
Students, before moving towards the solving of sums, let us understand few things about multiplication. We will read and understand. The number to which we multiply is called multiplicand. The number by which we multiply is called multiplier. The answer is called the product. So here the first number, that is 8, is called multiplicand. The second number 6 is called multiplier. And the third number, which is the answer, is called product. So the answer of the multiplication is called product. And here you can see the multiplication sign, which is in cross. The product of the two numbers is same even if the order of the number is changed. So students, 8 into 6 is 24 and 6 into 8 is also 24. So if we change the number, exchange the number, but the product will be same of that number.
Multiplication of 3-digit and 1-digit numbers. Find the product of 315 into 7. Student, here down we will do rough work of multiplication. So let us start. 315 multiplied by 7. First, we will multiply 5 into 7. So, 7 5s are 35. We will write 5 at the unit place and carry it over 3 at tens place. Now, we will multiply 7 into 1. 7 ones are 7. Plus carried over 3, we get answer 10. So, we will write 0 at tens place and carry over 1 at 100 place. Now, we will multiply 7 into 3. 7 3s are 21 plus 1 is equal to 22. So, we will write 22, 2 at 100 place and another 2 at thousands place. So, we will get our final answer. 315 into 7 is equal to 2205. Multiplication of 2-digit and 2-digit numbers. Find the product of 38 into 24. So, Now we will multiply 38 into 24. First we will multiply 4 by 8. 4 8s are 32. So we will write 2 at unit place and carry 3 at tens place. Now we will multiply 4 by 3. So 4 into 3 is equal to 12. And we will add this 3 with 12. 12 plus 3 we got here 15. So we will write 5 at tens place and carry 1 at 100 place. Now as there is no other digit to multiply, we will write this one as it is down. So we got 38 multiplied by 4, 152. Now we will multiply 38 by 2. But as 2 is at tens place, so we will start our multiplication from tens place. So we will put 10 at unit place. So here we have written 0. Now we will multiply 2 by 8. So 2 8s are 16. We will write 6 at tens place and carry 1 at 100 place. Now students, this area is carried over after multiplying by units, and this area is carried over after multiplying by tens. Means when we have multiplied by 4, whatever carried number we have written here, and when we are multiplying by tens, that is 2, we have written the carried over digit on top. Now we will multiply 2 by 3. So 2 3s are 6 plus carried over 1. So 6 plus 1 we got here 7. So we will write 7 at 100 place. So students, 38 multiplied by 2, we got answers 760. Now we will add this both product. So 152 plus 760. 2 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 6, 11. So we will write 1 at tens place and carry over 1 at 100 place. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 7, 9. So we got the final answer. 38 into 24 is equal to 912. Multiply 60 into 24. 60 multiplied by 24. So first we will start from unit place. So 4 zeros are 0. Student, any number multiplied by 0, we get the product, we get the answer 0. So we have written 0 at the unit place. Now we will multiply 6 by 4. So 4 6 are 24. We will write 4 at tens place and carry 2 at 100 place. as there is no other digit to multiply, so we will write 2 as it is down at 100 place. So 60 multiplied by 4, we got the answer 240. Now we will multiply 2 by 60. As 2 is at tens place, we will put 0 at the unit place. So we have written 0 at the unit place. Now 2 into 0, 2 zeros are 0. Now we will multiply 2 by 6. 2 6 are 12. So we will write 2 at 100 place and carry over 1 at 1000 place. As there is no other digit to multiply, we will write that 1 down as it is. Now we will add this both product. So 240 plus 1200. So 0 plus 0 we will get 0. 4 plus 0 4. 2 plus 2 4 and 1. So we got the final answer 60 multiplied by 24 is equal to 1440. Multiplication of 3-digit and 2-digit numbers. Multiply 709 into 46. So we will write 709 into 46. First we will multiply 6 by 9. So 6 9s are 54. We will write 4 at unit place and carry 5 at tens place. Now we will multiply 6 by 0. Any number multiplied by 0, product is 0. So 6 into 0 is equal to 0 plus 5. This 5 is which we have carried here. So 0 plus 5 we got the answer 5. So we will write 5 at tens place. Now we will multiply 6 by 7. So 6 7s are 42. We will write 2 at 100 place and carry 4 at 1000 place. But as there is no other digit to multiply, we will write this 4 as it is down. So 709 multiplied by 6, we got the answer 4254. Now we will multiply 709 by 4. As 4 is at tens place, we will start our multiplication from tens place. So we will put 0 at the unit place. So we will put 0 over here. Now we will multiply 4 by 9. 4 9s are 36. So we will write 6 at tens place and carry 3 at tens place. Now we will multiply 4 by 0. 4 zeros are 0 plus 3 which we have carried here. So 0 plus 3 we got answer 3. So we will write 3 at 100 place. Now we will multiply 4 by 7. So 4 7s are 28. So we will write 8 at 1000 place and carry 2 at 10,000 place. Now as there is no other digit to multiply, we will write this 2 down as it is. So 709 multiplied by 4, we got the answer 28,360. Now we will add these both products. So 4,254 plus 28,360, 4 plus 0, 4, 5 plus 6, 11, 1 we will write down and 1 we will carry at 100 place. Now 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. Now at thousands place, 4 plus 8, 4 plus 8 we will get 12. So 2 we will write at thousand place and carry 1 at 10,000 place. Now 1 plus 2 we will get answer 3. So we got the final answer 709 into 46 is equal to 32,614. Multiply 453 into 78. So we will multiply 453 multiplied by 78. First we will multiply 8 by 3. So 8 3s are 24. So we will write 4 at unit place and carry 2 at 10 place. Now we will multiply 8 by 5. So 8 5s are 40. And this 2 we will add 40 plus 2, we got the answer 42. So we will write 2 at tens place and carry 4 at 100 place. Now we will multiply 8 by 4. So 8 4s are 32 and this carried number we will add with 32. So 32 plus 4 we got the answer 36. So we will write 6 at 100 place and carry 3 at thousands place. But as there is no other digit to multiply, we will write this 3 down as it is. So 453 multiplied by 8, we got the answer 3,624. Now we will multiply 453 by 7. As 7 is at tens place, we will start our multiplication from tens place. So we will put 0 at unit place. So we will write here 0 now. Now we will multiply 7 by 3. So 7 into 3, 21. So we will write 1 at tens place and carry 2 at tens place. Now we will multiply 7 by 5. So 7 5s are 35 plus 2, we got answer 37. So we will write 7 at 100 place and carry 3 at 100 place. Now we will multiply 7 by 4. 7 into 4, 28 plus carry 3. So 28 plus 3, we got the answer 31. So we will write 1 at thousands place and carry 3 at 10,000 place. Now as there is no other digit to multiply, we will write this carry 3 down as it is. So 453 multiplied by 7, we got the answer 31,710. Now we will add both these products to get final answer. So 3,624 plus 31,710. 4 plus 0 will get the answer 4. 2 plus 1 3. 6 plus 7 13. So 3 at 100 place and 1 carry at thousands place. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 1 5 and 3. So our final answer is 453 into 78 is equal to 35,334. So students, you must have understood now how to do vertically multiplication. Thank you.